my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. And you.
Oh man, well, good thing is that the school is very accommodating. You can get to do your exam here, don't you? Yeah.
If you have any issue with your something to the person staying here.
Okay.
Yeah. Take off your mask now, like why you're alone in here. You can take off all the time too. You don't want to take off your time? Take off your time, man. Yeah. Nobody not there in here with you. Just you're alone. Eh. Alright. You look so sweet. Alright. All the best. All the best. Love you. I'm right outside. Anything, you call me, okay? No, I can't stay so. I can't stay as a bro. Conflict of interest. They want to send me a sneaky answer give. Although them a question is so hard, me good I don't know. Me good I don't know the answer them either. Yeah? Alright. You have your little prayer band? You have a prayer band? Alright. Okay, I'm outside, okay? Alright, love you. See you later. I really wanted to sing the welcome back song, but I tell you the truth, people, I don't feel good at all. I'm just not in a great mood, but you know, I am always gonna be trying and being positive. So welcome back. So I had to kind of sneak graduate out. What you call that? You get the they release him into my care to do the exam. I'll have to bring him back, but they release him into my care. So let me give you some context as to what has happened, because I think maybe the previous video was not as clear as I'd hoped it was, because I was really going through it. So I didn't get to insert a lot of things. So what happened was that Reggie did chemo after while doing the chemo, right? So they remove this thing. He has a port in his chest, and the port is a thing that runs from here to his heart, right? The port is used to transfer medication, draw blood, and all of that. Now, they normally put a seal inside of the port. I might be rambling, but bear with me, I may get to the point. So they normally put a seal inside of the port. It's like a little fluid thing that seal it back, so no blood can come out, ear don't go in, right? So when Rajay went in for chemo, as you see the last video, we would have fun. We stop at Starbucks, we live with best life, because we normally try to do something to, you know, make him feel good before we actually go in for chemo, or while we're there, you know, we do something to entertain him, engage him, and kind of take his mind off exactly what he's going through. So while I was there with him, and we take out the sometimes I don't know which way to look on the camera right now, but just bear with me, yeah, they're all over the place. We take out the fluid that they used to seal it, right? So when they take out the fluid that they used to seal it now, they noticed immediately that no blood was coming back. I said to the lady, because the doctors, because normally what happens is that when them take out the seal and then pull back, blood's supposed to come. Sorry. Remember, something in your heart, blood must come, because your heart a pump blood, correct? She pulled back, no blood never come, right? No blood no come, and we start to wonder, I say, oh, something not right here. So I asked her, and she say, no, sometimes that happen. Anyway, she called her senior, and our senior confirmed that happens sometime where the blood not go rush back at the same time, but they're gonna flush the area with some saline just to ensure that it is not clogged. I said, okay, all right, no problem. When we did that now, they flushed it. And it went freely. No, it did not have any restrictions. So they said, sure, see, it's okay. All right. Remember, me an expert. Me not going to school for this. Yes, yes. I can inseminate cows and goats and pigs because I went to school for that. I'm now a quality assurance tech, so I understand the different type of bacteria and growth and how it affects time and temperature affects food. I know monitor and measuring of products. That is what I do for a living, right? So the people them tell me say, as long as if the fluid runs smoothly, then we do not have a challenge. And I said, okay. They went ahead with the medication. No, Rajay said, Mommy, I am having some discomfort. Me say to the doctor, me say, stop. If he's having discomfort, stop. They're saying like, why? Because it's normal, whatever. I'm saying, you have never had a port. You don't know what it's supposed to feel like inside your body. He has had this. He has had one before, right? He know what I'm supposed to feel. He know how it's supposed to go. So as a result, stop. Because I need him to be okay, right? She said, okay, all right. So they stopped and they decided that they're going to run the meds through intravenous, right? So they run the rest of the chemo meds through intravenous. You see me on the road, I go home. I went home and I reached home pretty late, about 9 o'clock there about or so. We reach home, or after 9. When we reach home, him start saying, I feel some pain, burning in the area. So when I said to him, say, how bad is the burn? He said like 4 to 5. So I'm like, okay, that's moderate, right? But we are going to check it out. So in the morning now, I make sure I link my supervisor from early. I say, I'm going to be late for work because I go hospital. You know, a good place to work. She say, all right then, angle your business. I go carry him to the doctor. Never carry him go hospital, you know, because I'm saying, all right, let us look and see if, you know, there's something not as emergent. Excuse me. Remember, I tell us the you doctor them, don't tell me say him alright and no problem and whatever. So I say, alright, let me carry him go to him pediatrician. Carry him to him pediatrician, she look at it and she say she don't see nothing wrong with it and she's gonna stick with the same decision that you initially gave, right? Which is okay because they're not seeing anything on the outside. After I talked to her for a little while and you know we have our little back and forth because yes. She then said, okay, all right. So she called a radiologist, she set up the thing, and within minutes, you saw when I was taking him to the radiologist, because I left out, brought him to the radiologist. He did the scan at the radiologist office. When they did the scan, they realized that the port was dislodged. So the anchor was there, but the line gone, migrate. Yes? Traumatized. I go pick up my husband because we need a getaway driver car. We don't know me drive like granny, right? So we need a fast driver where we can shut it to Kingston. So my husband, pick up my husband and we carry Rajay to the hospital. Carry him to the hospital, them start run every single test that there is because they need to find the other piece because they saw a part of it, but one piece is still gone. We don't know which part it there. There's a part large in his sternum, and that's why the people feel burning in him center him chest. After they run much in million tests and something, finally, conclusion came back that it is there, but they could not find a part of it, so they had to do a contrast CT. They did the contrast CT and everything work out. They find it. Thanks be to God. They were able to find it. And then them say, all right then. Emergency surgery because they had other children scheduled for surgery, but you know, the case, it had to be removed. He did the surgery. It was successful. Them run it up. Point to note, the surgeon love him to death. Love him to death. Him always make me feel at ease when he's the person doing it, right? Always make me feel at ease. He will come out, pop him head out and give me a little notification. He now make me sit down out the 5, 6, 7 hours. I sweat and I dead and I ball. Him always pop out and, you know, give me a little reassurance. Yeah, so don't get me wrong, not all doctors, me not upset with it, I just them today. But I'm not gonna get into that. Alright, so he did the surgery, was successful, but now he's still having burning in the area. Why? Because the chemo drug is underneath the skin, it's in the tissue, and the body is absorbing it. Now, you're not supposed to do that, so because it's supposed to be in your vein. That is how your body is supposed to use it. It's supposed to be in your vein, attached to your blood, and go about and do its business. Now it's under the skin, it's affecting the tissue, and it is burning through the tissue. Now he has PEP today. He has PEP. He missed the first two because he was in the hospital and some whole heap of mix-up happened and he was not able to sit those exams. He has to do these 2 now, these 4 now, or it's gonna be an issue, right? This is a bright boy, brilliant student, right? And it is so unfortunate that he's gonna end up not do as good as he should have done because he missed 2 exams. He missed the first leg of PEP because of this illness. So when I found out that this part of the exam now is gonna be affected because of this little issue that pop up, right? Me tell the doctor from Saturday, me tell the doctor like, if he's gonna be in the hospital, we're gonna try to get them to come here, come do it. And if them not come here, come do it, then we'll carry him go to school, go do it. Alright, so they said that, okay, so if he's not gonna get discharged, then you know that is gonna be a plan. So what they're gonna do is that they're gonna give me, what do you call it? You know, like they release him in your recognizance. Well, you are the person now saying that you want your child and go do your test, but you have to do it. Yes? Not a problem, not a problem. Not a problem. So then tell me what to do, what to expect, and you know, so I'm here, I'm waiting, painkillers in hand. I gave him some before he went in, and then you know, I'll give him some more after. Him don't want to miss him exam, people. I know that other person will be like, I just test and whatever. Him don't want to miss him exam. And if you have been in a situation where you feel like your life is spinning out of control and you don't have any control over anything at all, if you have ever been in that situation, then you understand how he feels. Because listen, to be in this space, to be in this situation where you are supposed to be, this is the first leg of accomplishment for you, you know. We did GSAT, or someone who do common entrance. Me a GSAT baby, I'm the like first set of GSAT. So this is the first leg of your accomplishment, and for a child who has had an exceptional primary school, exceptional, in do very good. Me never go pick up my man report and worry yet. Never. Not even when in there Cuba or chemo. Me never worry about him report it because the man sit down in a book. So you know, he wanted to do his exam, and listen, me I go push for him, me I go fight for him, and thanks be to God he's at this school it's a primary school, and not a prep school, but listen, them people there genuine. Remember me tell you that's why a teacher need to get pay. Teacher forget pay. The principal is teachers, vice principal, everybody show up and show out, and they made the necessary arrangements for him. Just have to just big up God every time, because it is a lot, and when you are going through this, you need anchors. Yeah, you need persons to stand up with you, pray with you, and make the road a little bit smoother. So you know, I'm so grateful. So it's in exam now. I'm waiting outside. I'm gonna go in periodically when that section I finish, and you know, check in, make sure I'm good. And the doctor say I'm a designated nurse, so I should just go ahead and do a course in nursing. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. It's too sad. I don't think that I can manage to do this. Yeah, alright. So check back in with you and tell you where we're at. Oh my god, guys, this is so long. Whew. Long. You have to switch over to your passenger seat, recline, so we'll get a nap, cause oh god, the wait. I am exhausted.
Kind of bad move though.
So we're on lunch break.
Not really lunch break, I mean finish early.
Oh, you finish your test early. So you rush come out for you could take your time and read, you know?
Me not rush come out. Me take a 2 time read over.
You sure?
Read over first time, read over first time read over and realize the one I'm answer them wrong. So I switch over back to my next one. So me erase the incorrect answer, put in correct answer. Then read over, then me keep on read over, I don't see nothing else wrong. Somebody will say, you know what, I'm going to read over again because I feel like the one more answer probably wrong. Read over again, this time no answer no wrong, so. I'm just there inside, we use the bathroom, drink water, and then I go for my drawing book and just draw until then so I can, if I want, I can come and lay down with it inside the car.
Oh.
So I came and lay down inside the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
Good. The hard?
Not really hard. I just like some, I don't know what a stanza, so, and that was like question 38.
What did it say? In first stanza or whatever?
Yeah, like stanza, which,
It's what, language arts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something with stanza.
Okay.
But me just feel like stanza mean like a different word for paragraph.
Yes.
Alright, that means I'm good then.
We just not gonna say it, you know. Yeah. Alright. Well, you do your best, God do the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully me get 38 or 39.
So you
or
can't say 40. You can't get the whole 40, right?
I want to get to 41, but if I get to 41, 39 or
38.
38.
Okay. You sure you don't want to pull the shirt little? You don't want to pull the shirt little?
No camera there.
But nobody now see me alone in the car. Nobody now see cut. Just pull it, that's it. In a rub. That's in a rub.
When you rub pan.
When you rub pan, it got hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just pull it, that's in a rub. Alright, back a chair and take a little break. Till the next part. Till the next part. Oh Lord, I'm tired. I say, man, me not like. I say, don't want to, I not nothing to do. Me confused. Me not like have nothing to do either. It's weird.
Can just go sleep.
Oh, I wish I could. I wish I could sleep, man. My problem's just haunting me. I can't sleep.
Just take my lunch money, so now I'm not nothing to eat.
Me soon bring back your food. Soon bring your food come. It's soon time for lunch anyway, so your food soon come.
Right.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Well, everybody, him teacher gave money and saying to buy KFC.
So that is what we will do.
The man say him have money because him teacher say he must buy KFC. My only question is, one question me have. You know what my one question? Will I get a 5-piece wings? Will I get a 5-piece wings? Come maybe in a year. Will I get?
I ain't got 5 piece things.
Me can't get a wings. So you take so long for answer? It's so like you didn't want to give it.
I stop somewhere, man. That's
So which part else you want to stop? Me not stop nowhere else. I'm tired.
I guess the stopping can stay until Saturday.
Okay. Cause tomorrow chemo day.
You know I'm going to look at them. They're basically doing me right now.
Me no say them. Me no say no want go. I see. Oh my
I feel
God.
like I'll be forced for going now. I feel like I'll be forced for
You feel like you're being forced?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you understand why
I understand why I'm going because I can't put off one treatment.
you can't put off a treatment.
And to go stop fluctuate. So I have to take it.
Yeah. So it's not that you're being forced,
Yeah.
but you have to. You have to. Yeah. Because you understand the consequence if you stop.
Yeah,
Right?
kinda.
What gonna happen if you stop?
That will grow
It go grow. And how fast it go grow?
fast.
2 times as fast because you did do treatment so you can't stop.
And we did the surgery.
And you did do surgery which make it even worse. Because your body go under stress. So it means that you have to go take a chemo. I know.
Then I'm gonna friend again, you know?
I know say you and them are no friend again. I know say you're vexed with them. Yeah?
Yeah. Well, someone else gonna give me chemo, like Dr. Morgan.
Dr. Morgan cannot give chemo. Dr. Morgan is a
I
surgeon.
want him put in access then.
Okay.
And hopefully Dr. Isaacs there.
Dr. Isaacs is not there. She's working at Bustamante.
No, she said occasionally she come back.
Occasionally, yeah. Alright. But we just have to just put God in it and pray and hope for the best. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a black lady neither.
You're not a black lady. Okay.
I just feel them assassinate me for now, you know. Because I know some gonna be super rich and famous in the future, you know.
Yeah.
I just feel so they might try assassinate me for now because the assassination attempts now work in the future.
Oh, okay. So because you're going to be great in the future,
Yeah.
then come back to the past to assassinate you.
Yeah.
Conspiracy.
I'm just
Yes.
feel so.
Is you hear them foolishness, yeah? Conspiracy is.
Gigs. A gigs.
Give one I chichi is.
You wanna chichi?
Give one. You rather give a kiss than give one I chichi is.
Can I have one, please?
It's me, no?
What comes then, man?
It's you can't come around here, so you have to stay on your seat.
Take time.
What am I look for?
Oh. And I tell you for.
What am I look for?
You could have mommy take it out, you know?
Oh, floss. Hey, sit in your seat. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, look at her red face. He laugh, he's sweet, you know. Let's take your foot down.
That's what you want.
You want a fry?
I buy for everybody today. Well, 3 hours.
What? Millionaire?
Yeah.
I saw your roll, John.
Yeah.
I saw your roll deep.
$2,000, no?
Yeah,
What if for money?
yeah. $2,000. Well, for money.
Yeah.
You just buy things to everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Love that for me. That means we can get more than our wings then.
Sorry.
Oh my.
Sorry. Here.
Stay. Hey, them pin you down the man, man. Oh my God. It says, you want your juice?
And then Penny the younger than me. Me at 12. I'm got them at 9.
Oh my God, this is so sweet.
Yeah, you can't drink juice nowadays, and I juice them always sweet.
Them very sweet. Me just want ace to cut off of them, you know. You can stay, leave them.
4 cheap.
Nasty.
There's always the 5-hour rule.
5 hour, and there's nobody said 5 hour. Everybody said 5-second rule. Except you. Nasty.
one time, I saw 3 chicks when I go.
Where? Where?
Inside I house.
No, stop.
I look like
Stop.
it was a old Bigfoot.
Oh.
And we go through it. I feel like a long time.
Nasty. But there's a 5 hour rule. No, it's Johnny Nasty that you know. Done. So we can. I spread out some.
You puppy.
Why you have 2 floss? How much teeth you have is? Eh?
About 36, 40 there.
How man feel so much teeth? You a crazy person? Okay. Let's just plan out where you go buy my friend now, okay? And I want honey barbecue sauce, okay?
Honey barbecue, I want to say
Honey mustard. Sorry, not honey barbecue, honey mustard sauce. Cool?
Yeah. One thing I get
Glad.
and I get the famous one
Me
because I
glad.
tried it one time and
I was good.
it was good.
Yeah.
But with something sauce, with the honey mustard sauce mixing it.
Okay.
I don't know why, but it just tastes good.
Okay. Anyways.
See what I mean? Say it's something that tastes good. Bigfoot it is still, you know?
We really gone back on the nasty Bigfoot? How is the cut? Is it okay?
No.
But it feel better?
Yeah.
Great. Great. Ooh, Kevin!
Oh, the guy who play football at work.
Yeah, work in the same department.
Just know them.
From football. Well, at least you don't say sports.
Me know sportsman, see. Me know.
Embarrassing.
You want me to name 5 basketball players right now?
Go on.
You have LaMelo Ball. You have Michael Jordan. You don't know LaMelo Ball. You have Ja Morant. You have...
Jay Morant.
No, it's Ja Morant.
It's Jay Morant. Alright, okay. Continue.
When me hear it on TikTok,
And
Ja.
how again?
You have LeBron James, one of the GOATs, right?
Yeah.
You have Kevin Durant. Let me name one extra one real quick. You have Anthony Davis.
What? Oh, you know so much football. Oh, you know so much baseball, basketballers.
Come and play a basketball game on my phone.
Come and
Alright, who else? Who else? You can't see your name. You have somebody called John already?
Yeah.
Alright. That means you
Alright, give
have,
us a footballer now.
you have Cristiano Ronaldo. You have one of the best keeper them,
That?
Martinez. You have Messi. You have Ronaldo. You have Neymar. You have the other Martinez them. Or you striker them. Me know a striker. And you have Pernandez or Pernandez, whatever you want.
But ticket as a perennial child, you know?
Who is a perennial child?
Perennial child? What?
Alright,
Politician, Jamaican.
You have Ronaldinho. You my guy with the ear shave off saying like top front top cut. So
That's not Ronaldinho, that's Ronaldo. That's a real Ronaldo.
Oh.
Original. From Bala did I roll. First at a Bala them. Anyways, okay, Reggie, okay, you made your point. You are now getting into sports. So it was an embarrassment for you to not like sports and living in a household with your family members who loved sports.
Except cricket, man. I like cricket. Boring.
You gotta learn. You gotta learn to like cricket. This is unacceptable. Nope, you have to learn. Say Christopher Gale.
The only thing we know like cricket are innings.
How much to the Becca innings?
You
just know the word innings?
Yeah,
wow.
The word innings. And that's all one. That's somebody not did stop.
Wow. Okay. Anyways, I have some good news to give you.
What?
So, this morning, I was on TikTok. So, I'm over upon the Takins, yeah? And I was scrolling. Then, this vlog that I normally watch on YouTube, Similar TV, I may not book them up on TikTok. So, I say, let me try and see if they would actually accept my request. Guess what?
They accepted it?
They accepted my request. And guess what happened after that? They raised over $2,000 US.
$2,000 US?
Yes!
In a one morning?
In a one morning.
Really?
Really?
You sure?
I am positive. They raised over $2,000 US this morning.
Wanna go for me on your bank account?
Both. Some of them go for me and some of them in the bank account. Yes, come down. Go back in your seat.
I'm flabbergasted by this.
Yeah. God is good, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's leave the camera. We really wanted the help. We really wanted somebody to help us and we got it, Raji.
Yeah.
How you feel? Different from flabbergasted.
Can't believe.
Yeah. Super grateful. God is a good God, yeah? Why the little Pitney? Pitney! Go back in your seat. Go back in your seat. Sit in your seat. Please. Please, Ace. Please. Please. Him not like when the car now drive people. Once we stop, means they must come out and see it.
Yeah. Work up the total, man.
Oh my God. You get your calculation? Oh God. Jesus. I'm at you do this, man. I say if you don't pass maths prep, I beat us to sickness. Sickness. Yeah, Ace. Yeah, I'll beat him to sickness, Ace.
Alright.
We beat him to sickness, okay? Alright. Yay! Can you have more money? Oh my God! You're a scammer! Jesus! Jesus!
I look at you can get an 8-piece, man.
No man, it's okay. I'll take a 5-piece so you can have a little change, leave back. Me not broke you. Me hungry, you know, because me that hurt me too. I'm hungry, though. So I'm glad that we here say I have money, can buy lunch. Because me that hurt me.
Can buy it, man. See, can buy
Yeah,
it.
that's great.
Yeah.
No man, we take a 5-piece, man. Me can't eat no more than a 5-piece. Me good. Grateful. Yeah? Thank you so much. And thank you, Miss.
And thank you, Miss Thomas.
Miss Thomas. Give mommy kisses.
Give me kisses.
Give Johnny kisses. Give mommy kisses.
Johnny kisses.
Give Johnny kisses. Give mommy kisses.
Johnny kisses. Johnny kisses.
Oh God.